Hey guys, just been out doing a bit of feral pigeon shooting, and I've been using my little pest control gun. And I thought while I've got it out, I might as well show you. It is an SMK 12. It's a junior gun, pretty low power but very accurate. I'd say the power was about somewhere between 7 and 8, but the accuracy of this little gun is quite something. SMK don't have a great reputation for quality guns, but this has changed my mind on SMK. Stock, well made, decent size for adults and juniors. Trigger, pretty good. Automatic safety catch. Good open sights, well adjustable. Some of you may even remember the an FWB Sport Mark II. It kind of has a similar look to it. It even has the ball dent, a barrel dent there. Very accurate. You just click that forward, raise up. Low powered, but it got me one today, got me a feral pigeon today. I'm about sighting in my other gun because I'm about to hit the crows with my BSA Lightning. So I'll be doing a video on that shortly. But I just thought I'd show you this little gun. They are quite remarkable for what they are. I bought this for a tenner, £10. If you're wondering what this is it's a little laser sight. Now when you're shooting pigeon at about anywhere between 5 and 15 feet, and not yard, feet, and really close range, that's how I can use a low power gun. It doesn't go through them and hit the roof, does any damage or anything. But a dark pigeon in a dark shed with some dark open sights, it's difficult to see them. So I've put on this little laser sight buy from eBay. You can see through it underneath it to use the open sight. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. And if you sight this in for, like I did, for about 10 feet, and then put the laser dot on top of where the front sight is, you don't need to use actual open sights. You adjust the laser with these two little Allen keys here. I'll switch it on and see if I can. You may not be able to see this. Can you see the laser dot? I don't know if you're going to be able to. But it really works. It worked well today, even though there was only one. It worked like a treat. So, if ever you're needing a really close range but very accurate wee little gun, I would go for these. They've definitely changed my mind on SMKs. SMK stands for Sports Marketing. They're a gun distributor in the UK. It's mainly budget guns, but they're a bit more expensive these days. But if you want a little gun for shooting in the garden or very close range hunting, I'll go for one of these. They are remarkably accurate. Great little guns. Right, I am going to go. I've sighted in my BSA Lightning. I've got the rather disgusting looking glue on the camera. It's shooting lovely. So I'll head off now and go see if I can get some crows. Thanks for watching. Catch you later. See you later. Can you hear a pigeon somewhere? dove. But there's a pharaoh in here somewhere. Come on, kick out. Kick out. Damn. Come on. Get a wee bit of flapping for me. No, I think it's going to stay out there. Damn. Guess we forgot to hit the record button. Hey guys, right, I'm in the crowhide. As you can see, there's quite a few moving about, but it's a bit late in the day, so I'm not expecting to be here too long. I've got the lighting with me, good old lighting, so fingers crossed I should have a half decent day. But I'll be doing this a few times until they get wise up, and then they'll start just going straight in. That's when the little rim fire comes out. So I shall see you then. Okay guys, that's me finished for the day. Not too bad at all. That was 4 jackdaws and 3 ferals, 1 for the other farm. That little lightning's done it again. But I'll be back shortly. Maybe hopefully get some more videos. Catch you later.